I want to pose a question to every single one of you up there. Do you feel that you are free, or do you feel that you live in an open air prison? Put it down in the comment section below. And in order for you to better answer, I'm going to ask you a few questions and see where we at the very end. When you wake up in the morning, you probably wake up due to an alarm that you have to go to work, right? That you have to go do your fair share of work to provide for the society that you live in, right? Inmates have a wake up time, and then they go and they do work. Some do. Isn't that what we do? We get up at a certain time and we go do work, because otherwise, well, let's just keep asking questions. All right. Can you buy a car and drive it without a license, without permission from the warden? I mean from the government? I mean, you also have people enforcing those laws, same as the guards in the prisons. Am I wrong? I mean, I'm throwing things up there, and probably, you probably know now that, in my opinion, it's just, we have become an open air prison, and we can keep on going with this. I'll just give you two examples, but by now I'm like, I mean, the only difference is that in one you have guaranteed health care, because they will take care of you. You have 3 meals a day, and you don't have to pay rent. Shoot, for all intents and purposes, they don't even have to work. Yet we the ones working, paying taxes. We the ones with lack of sleep. We're the ones in bad shape because we don't have time to work out or anything. Those in prison do at least have time to work out. One can make the argument that those in prison, well, they don't get to enjoy anything, but what can we enjoy nowadays, considering the prices? I mean, our stress level is up here. All of that. And all we're seeing is more and more regulations. I mean, even for hunting, when in what sound mind can one argue that the state or governments own the animals? When did they make the animals? But yet you need a license, permission from them to go and hunt, because they have people up there enforcing those laws. So when it comes to it, I don't think it's just America. I think the entire world has become an open air prison. Not just America. I'm mentioning America as an example. And trust me on it. Trust me. There are worse countries out there. I know that for a fact. But it is sickening the amount of rules and regulations that we have allowed these people to impose on us. It is sickening that you need permission from governments, from elected officials to do anything. If you want to build your house, you need to get permits. You need to have an inspector come in. You need to pay fees. All of that. And at the end, you have to pay taxes on the property that you bought, on the house that you built. You have to pay now dues to an entity. And every year, even if you pay, let's say, $100,000, that's what it costs you to build your house. But every year it goes up because, well, now your house is worth $150,000. So now you're going to have to pay taxes on $150,000. That is unrealized gain. But we have to pay more and more and more in perpetuity. forever. Because if you don't pay whatever they say, well, they use the system that you pay for. They use the people that you pay for, those enforcing the laws. They use the judges. They use everything that you pay for. They use it against you. How is that fair? How can we sit and say we are free? How so? Shoot, for all intended purposes, back in the day, the slaves were more free than us. And yet here we are. We have people defending the systems. And again, this is just worldwide. This is just not here in the US. This is all over the world. Why did we the people of the world, we allow this to happen? The answer is very simple. Because we let the weak take power. We allowed those who were weak to be our leaders. That is the reason. Those folks, those people who were, for lack of better words, wuss, now they're making rules and regulations against you because they hate you. They hate you because you are everything they wanted to be, but they couldn't. And because we allow weak people to rule, we're going to have to suffer through harsh times. That is the reason why America and the world has become an open air prison. Simple as that. We are at fault. We allow these weak people to take root. We allow these weak people to have a voice. We allow these weak people to tell us what to do when we are the ones who produce. We are the one who go to work. We are the ones who do everything, but we don't have time. We don't have time to do anything else. And they do. They are very good at rallying together, getting into those positions of power that we don't care because all we want to do is live our life. Well, my friends, I will say this from the bottom of my heart. Either you get engaged and get involved, or things are going to get way worse than what they are. Because as is right now, the world is an open air prison. And unless we stand together, things will never change. Let me know what you think in the comment section below, and I hope to see you in the next one.